In this video, I would like to show you how you can edit a PDF file by just using the free Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you want to download the software, I'll add the link in the description of this video. To open your PDF file, go to the file in your folder, right-click on the file and be sure to open it with Adobe Acrobat. To start editing your PDF, click the icon Sign Document by typing or drawing a signature. Then, you can place your cursor where you want to start typing. For example, you can type the month of February. You can adjust the font size. You can adjust the text style to this or change it back by clicking it again. Then, you can type the numbers or dates of the month. You can add an entry like Sunday go to church. Monday first day of work. Saturday daddy's birthday. You can also add other symbols like the X mark, check mark. Adjust the position if necessary. You can edit what you have already written or delete it. What else can you do? You can also choose a different font color. Just click this icon and choose a different color. Then, you can type surprise dinner in orange font color. To save the file, just click the Save icon, then choose the folder where you want to save your file. Give your PDF a different name and click Save. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.